Make sure you apply good document design principles. Use good and relevant graphics, colors, and fonts to whatever it is you're talking about. Here's an example. We talk about working at Kennesaw State University. We have PowerPoints. These are official PowerPoint templates that I, a professor, could go and download and use if I'm going to be speaking on behalf of the university. So it's got our official logo, it's got our official colors, and it's got, yes, that's what I'm talking about, official logo and official colors. But it also is going to have official typography built in. So wherever you work, it's likely going to have authorized images that you can use for specific purposes. You're going to have official colors that your company is using. You're going to have official typefaces. For example, everything that comes out of Kennesaw State is done in Palatino or Gill Sans. If it's not done in one of those, it's not a real Kennesaw State document. So make sure you use relevant graphics, colors, and fonts to whatever it is that you are documenting. Of course, headings are your friends. Use them. Matter of fact, when you use headings in Microsoft Word, you can click a button and just generate a table of contents. It's really, really fast and easy. Make sure you use visual cues to separate major sections as well. Here's an example of visual cues. Take a look at this. It's in French, so you probably can't read it, but if you look at it, where are the major sections and where are the minor sections? How can you tell? Very easily. Take a look at this and this. How are they different from everything else? Well, it's that double thick line. The text is very large and bold. Those in combination tell you right away that these are major sections. How about minor sections? There's one. There's one. They have thinner lines and the same bold, heavy text. So we know, bold and heavy text means it's a section, and the weight of the line and the number of lines between tell us if it's a big break or a small break. Make sure you also separate, label, and caption any information that isn't directly part of the step. This is, for example, a tip, note, feedback statement, photo, drawing, table, graph, chart, safety notice, whatever it may be. Again, steps have numbers and or letters. All the rest of these things do not. If you're going to include a figure that is built into a step, you can probably omit the label and caption. Here's an example of what we're talking about. Notice, on this step, step number 2, these parts are required for that step. Is there any confusion about this image might belong to a different step? No. No possible way that these images could be confused belonging anywhere else. So in this case, it is not labeled with figure, and it does not have a caption saying, this is what you are seeing. Similarly, we look at this. This one's a photograph. At the same time, is there any doubt that the picture below 1 belongs to 1? Is there any doubt that the picture below 2 belongs to 2? No, there is not. It's very easy. How about this, though? Figure 1 over here, which step does it belong to? Hard to tell, isn't it? It actually belongs to step 5. Because it is separated from step 5, we are going to then need to label it with figure 1 and give a caption, case cover tool alignment, telling us what it is. The same thing works for figure 2.